We're making tiny baskets. This is a cute little project. I am going to be doing about 30 of these for party favors kind of thing. I'm going to fill it with some little goodies. But I thought if I'm making some, I should bring you along with me. This one is really easy. You know I love an easy project. This one is a 10 by 10 square, and you cut out all four corners at 3 inches. Super easy. Let's just jump into it. I did go ahead and put some interfacing on one piece of this. It is going to be fully reversible, which is awesome. And off we go. I'm doing this at 1/4 of an inch at a 2.5 stitch length. We're basically just going to do that on all four corners. Trying to move fast for you, but let me so what I'm going to do is these two, and then once those are done, I'm going to do the other two sides. So then you'll go around and do all four to close it up and make your little basket. The first one is done. I'm going to go ahead and sew around the second one, and as you can see, we have a nice little basket. This one I did not do any interfacing on. This one I did do. It is an iron-on batting. I got it on Amazon. I don't know the name of it, but it's just an iron-on thin, really thin batting, but it'll give it a little bit of structure, which is great. I'm going to finish this up. We'll come back and I'll show you how to put it together. I have all four sides sewn together on both of these. We are going to do right sides together. What we're going to do here, as you can tell, I am matching up all of the corners, and then I'm going to go ahead, let me push that to the inside. I'm nesting the seams, which means I'm pushing one seam one direction and the other the opposite, and that is really just to make it easy. I'm going to leave one side open just about 2 inches here. So I'm going to start here, sew all the way around, back stitching at the beginning and at the end, pull it through and turn it, stitch around. It's that easy. All right, I'll meet you back here in a second. We have it sewn together, and I did it just about 1/4 of an inch from the top. I did leave about 2 inches to pull through, and I'm just going to reach in and grab one corner. I believe I got this off of TikTok Shop too, this material, and it said it was quilt cotton. It is not. Sometimes you buy things and it's awesome, and sometimes not. It's cute material, don't get me wrong. I really do like it, but it's like a silky material. It is not cotton, so don't go looking for it unless you just want to do something simple. I had it, so I was like, I need to use it. I wasn't going to be able to do the project I originally wanted to do, but I can make this work. So what I'm doing now is I'm really just rolling and pinching to get these flattened out. I'm not going to use a ton of clips. Now I'm going to go ahead and sew around this, and then I'm just really going to do it close to the top, probably in between 1/8 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch, and then I'll show you the final product. And that is that. Cut off all your little threads, because nobody wants little threads poking around on their gift, right? And I will trim that up in a bit, but we are going to put the little pumpkin out, poke your corners out. And then you can go ahead and roll this over just a little bit so you can show off your inside material. and you have the cutest little party favor. You could just fill that up with little candies and treats or whatever you want to put in there. It's the cutest little thing. Look at that. Just adorable. Now you could, if you wanted to, here's an option. You could leave it standing straight up like this. And before you seal this together, you could put a little handle on here and it would have just a little, and then you could tie a little ribbon on it, put your little goodies in it. But I like the fold over idea. I just think it's so cute. Right now I have my little clips in this one. I'm just going to make a ton of these. Well, actually I'm making 30 of them. And that's it. Super easy. I'm Cassie and this is 62 Handcrafted. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube where you'll get all of my full-length tutorials. Come sew with me and I'll see you soon.